The big widgets for priorities 1, 2, and 3 can only be placed in the top row. The small ones at the top and bottom. We have already spoken about the big widgets in the video Priorities. This video is about the small widgets. Naturally, they too serve a specific purpose. This is where you can enter subject or task areas where there is always something to do and which you do on the side in your day-to-day business. For example, family, team, budget, employees, home, ideas, hobbies, etc. In other words, everything that needs to be done this week, but is not a priority or project. When you activate one of these areas, you can enter the subject matter and select a suitable symbol. This helps you to see at first glance what it is about. Then you can add tasks and use the functionalities in the same way as you did for priorities. Now you've activated your personal priorities and the subject matter areas with all tasks for this week. Don't forget the weekly update using the review button at the top of the menu bar. If you would like to, you can drag and drop the individual widgets back and forth at any time, even between the widgets.